Many Tesla Model 3 owners, especially those with models from 2017-2023, face a common problem: the 12 volts auxiliary battery not charging. This battery powers essential low-voltage systems like lights, infotainment, and door locks. The root cause often involves the DC-DC converter, which steps down the high voltage from the main battery to charge the 12 volts battery. We will explore how to diagnose and fix this, covering the DC-DC converter, fuses, and Tesla's service mode. Key takeaway: the 12-volt battery issue affects many Tesla Model 3 owners and involves the DC-DC converter stepping down high voltage. The DC-DC converter is crucial in the Tesla Model 3. It transforms the high voltage from the main battery down to 12 volts for the auxiliary battery. The DC-DC converter acts as a bridge, stepping down the approximately 400 volts to 12 volts DC to recharge the auxiliary battery that powers low-voltage systems. Failures in the DC-DC converter often stem from overheating, capacitor wear, or voltage spikes. Fuses act as safety nets in the circuit, preventing overloads by blowing when too much current flows. A blown fuse typically indicates a problem upstream, such as a short circuit. Understanding these components is the first step in troubleshooting 12-volt battery charging issues. The converter costs between $800 to $1,200 at Tesla, but can be found between $300 to $500 from third-party sources. Begin by checking the 12-volt battery voltage. A healthy battery should read 12.6 volts or higher. Next, inspect the fuses, particularly in the 12-volt fuse box under the hood, for continuity. Use a multimeter to confirm if they're blown. These simple checks can often pinpoint the problem. EV Mastermind reports that 70% of his clients' issues resolve with fuse replacements under $50, making it the first diagnostic point to address. In late 2025, Tesla released Software Update 2025.44, enhancing DC-DC converter diagnostics. This update allows owners to run a self-check on the touchscreen. Additionally, a voluntary recall was issued in Q3 2025 for roughly 50,000 Model 3s with high mileage due to faulty DC-DC converters. Check if your vehicle is covered by the recall for a free converter replacement. Completion rates are at 85% as of late 2025. The recall targets free replacement of the converter and related fuses. When considering repairs for your Tesla Model 3's 12-volt battery charging issue, DIY approaches are becoming more popular among owners. However, it's crucial to assess your skill level before attempting any fixes. Simple tasks like replacing a blown fuse can often be done by most people with basic tools, but more complex repairs, such as replacing the DC-DC converter or reprogramming it, typically require specialized knowledge and equipment. Independent repair shops can provide cost-effective alternatives to official Tesla service, but it's important to verify that they are Tesla authorized or have proven experience working with electric vehicles. This ensures the repair is done correctly and won't void your warranty or cause further issues. When it comes to costs, Tesla service centers typically charge between $800 and $1,200 for a DC-DC converter replacement. In contrast, third-party repair shops often offer the same service for $300 to $500, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious owners. Always weigh the potential savings against the risks of using unauthorized services. Preventive maintenance for the Tesla Model 3's 12-volt battery begins with avoiding deep discharges. The battery should not be drained below 20% charge level, as this can cause permanent damage to the cells. Proper grounding is essential to prevent corrosion at the battery terminals. Corrosion can interrupt the electrical connection and lead to charging failures. Regular inspection and cleaning of terminals helps maintain optimal performance. Emerging trends include the use of lithium iron phosphate LFP 12-volt batteries, which offer improved cold weather performance and longer lifespan compared to traditional lead-acid batteries. LFP batteries are more resistant to extreme temperatures and reduce charging failures. Tesla integrates more AI-driven monitoring into future models, like the 2026 Model 3 facelifts. Machine learning algorithms analyze driving data to predict DC-DC converter failures before they occur, allowing for proactive maintenance and reducing downtime. Real-world examples demonstrate the effectiveness of recalls and diagnostics. One Model 3 owner in Canada resolved repeated battery drains after a free converter replacement. Experts estimate 5 to 7% of Model 3s are affected by 12-volt battery issues, with DC-DC converter failures accounting for 60% of cases. Software updates are key to longevity, with predictions of 50% fewer hardware failures by 2030 through predictive maintenance. ASA estimates that 12-volt battery issues affect 5 to 7% of Tesla Model 3s, with DC-DC converter failures accounting for 60% of cases.